How to change like emoji on Instagram app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change like emoji on Instagram app. Now it's basically simple. So what you can do is if you open up Instagram chat here, now if you're talking about the like reaction on post, there is absolutely no way you can change it. You can only react heart here by default. Now if you head into chats here and head into a certain chat here, now you can like, or you, as you know, you can send reactions through here through like. If you double tap on it, it'll go love, and if you long tap on it, you can select any emojis here. You can see heart emoji, laughing emoji. However, to react with more than one emoji or to react with some other emoji than like emoji, what you can do is tap on the text and hold your fingers there, and what you want to do is you can see a number of reactions here, 6 different reactions. However, if you want to react with some other emoji, what you can do is tap on the plus option that you can see on the screen, and here you'll be able to choose any emoji that you want to react, and I'll just select this, and you can see it will send the reaction. So this way you can change reaction emoji on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.